And what about Dean? What would you do to Dean?
Don't worry about Dean.